Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you're running an Intel-based system, then just to let you know that Intel has released its latest driver package for its wireless adapters, which according to Intel brings a couple of stability improvements and is now available to download for eligible wireless adapters. So if we head to the download location, here we can see driver version 24.60.0. Here's the download link, and by the way, I'll leave this page in the description for you to get hold of the driver and the download link. And that's the link for Windows 10 and Windows 11. The size is 42.7 megabytes. And just like last month, Intel is continuing to build. If we look at this notice over here, Intel is continuing to build on Microsoft's K2 initiative, where Microsoft says it's fixing Windows 11 this year, where the aim of the K2 push is to enhance the quality of the Windows ecosystem, as we have been talking about, which in this case means improving performance and stability of various OS components, including drivers like this driver. So Intel has basically joined Microsoft's K2 initiative. I did post on that last month. Now, according to Intel, this release doesn't introduce any notable changes, but instead brings general improvements in line with Microsoft's K2 effort. And according to the release notes, if you head over to that, there are three main areas where Intel says it's improved things. The first is it's improved wireless stability and functionality for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Number two, it's enhanced regional regulatory compliance for both operating systems. And then number three, this software version 24.60.0 includes new functional updates as well as minor fixes that improve performance, stability, and vendor-specific features, with Intel saying users are encouraged to update to the latest version for best performance. Now, although they say that, once again, I'm going to just give you a quick heads up. Only install the latest drivers if you are faced with an issue or are waiting for a major new feature that a driver may introduce, because drivers, especially on Windows, are known to cause issues if not needed. So just take that into consideration. I would suggest only downloading this driver if you have been experiencing any issues with your wireless adapter. And while we are talking about adapters, if we head to the supported Intel wireless adapters, here we go. You can just pause the video at the relevant timestamp. Here's the list of those different wireless adapters. So just a quick video, guys. Intel wireless driver 24.60.0 now available to download for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.